Good morning, ladies. Happy Monday. So I decided to make a quick tutorial on how to use a new website I left for you. First activity you're going to do is read the article about mysterious animals. Then you'll need to work with the tutorial, the one that I'm doing right now. And after that, you'll go to the third step, that is actually use the website. So how you're using this website? Just click on the link I left for you and it opens like this. If you cannot click on it because for some reasons, just copy the link, copy it, and then just open a new browser and paste. Here we go. It'll appear Padlet. If you forgot the instructions, here they are. The name or the title of this activity is Mysterious Animals. Fun facts I have learned. But here are still more instructions for you. These are my instructions, like my message I left for you, and how you create yours. It says here that you will begin your note with writing down your name. So this way I can identify who wrote this note. After that, you'll write down 3 facts, fun facts that you learned from the text that I left for you. You'll start the sentence with, today I have learned that, and you will write down 3 facts about the animals in this article. You can write down either 3 sentences that each one starts with today I have learned that, or in the same sentence you can write today I have learned that and fact number 1, fact number 2, and fact number 3. As you can see, you can click a like. If you're the first student who answers it, you won't have many notes to like or to comment, but if you are like a 4th or 5th girl, it will be more fun for you. Okay, so you can click give a like to a girl if you like her comment, or you can write down something. Keep in mind that your comments should be meaningful, not only, oh, I like your comment, cool, hi. You can add like, yeah, I like the same fun fact, or you can add information. Did you know that? And in comment, you can write it down. So now, after explaining this, I'll actually explain how you create. Simply, here we go. Here's you just click on more, and here's the title. You write down your name, and that's it. Then you just click on the where it says write something, and here where you will write down today I have learned, and so on. When you're done, you just click on a bird, for example, and it's safe. If you want to add something more, like you read and you notice that there is a mistake in your text, you just click on this pen, and here we go. You can keep writing. Today, oh, I forgot, I have learned. Okay. Again, you click on somewhere. It can be a bird, for example, and you just close the page. Then your note is kept there automatically. So here you can see again, you can have a like, or somebody can comment on your post. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed it. Well, I hope you understood this tutorial and you'll enjoy the activity that is waiting for you. Next, please don't forget to write down your name. So this way I can grade the activity and also comment on your notes. Okay? Take care, girls. Have a lovely Monday.